Are you dying to get more customers and more clients? I started 5 businesses from scratch at the same time. And the hardest part? Getting new customers and new clients. Hello? Without that, you're dead in the water. Your competitors are being found on Google and Facebook ads, showing up in news feeds every day. And if your business isn't visible online, you're losing sales. I can show you how to generate new customer leads consistently. Hey guys, I'm Curtis Riley from The Real Rileys, aka Preach, and we give real advice for real life. Hopefully, you can learn from my many mistakes. And we are one family with multiple channels. We've got a channel on faith, on how-tos, on marriage, and online business. So check them out. The purpose of this channel is to discuss and improve real ministry, worship, and preaching. But we also offer online courses, coaching, and even church consultations. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. That lets YouTube know that you're enjoying this, and it helps us make more videos like this. As our free gift for stopping by, we wanted to hook you up with our free gift, a PDF and mini course called the Sermon Outline Guide, which will help you never get stuck on your sermon again. Just go to therealrileys.com. Now, let's get into it. In 2011, I started a church from scratch. No one knew about it, and I had an entire church to fill. In 2024, I started 5 businesses from scratch, and I had no customers. And no customers means no income, which means moving into my mom's basement. In both situations, I had a lot to learn if I was going to survive. So maybe you're like me and you're trying to start your own business, but you need customers. Now you know that people are online, which means you've got a website to build and run. You've got to start creating quality content, start posting on social media, get your paid ads up and running, and even make sure that you show up on Google searches. Now you might be tempted to think, I can do it by myself, but it's a full-time job if you do it right. I don't know if I can afford digital marketing. Sometimes you have to spend money to make money. So you can try to work 2 full-time jobs running your business and marketing, but you won't be able to focus on building your business. You'll feel like you're stretched too thin. You'll feel that pressure of needing to come up with fresh ideas, and you can easily get overwhelmed. Not to mention, if you don't do it well, no one will even know what you have to offer the world. You'll have no customers, you'll be making no money, and your business will either have to close or won't even get off the ground. Hey, can I stop you right there and ask you to make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our channel? That really helps support us a lot. Now, I was forced to learn the hard way through years of trial and error. I had to spread the word about my church, so I just learned as I went. I had to figure out how to create logos, to design and send mailers, to build an email list and start crafting emails. I had to learn how to build a website from scratch and even a little bit of coding. I had to learn how to create engaging content for social media, how to film, edit, and post videos online, and even how to create paid ads. And eventually, I grew a presence on social media. You see, in a small town church, I was the pastor and the digital marketer. I had to learn how to use tons of platforms and learn a bunch of skills that come with it. So trust me, I get it. But what if you could skip all those years of struggle? If you didn't have to learn all of those platforms the hard way? If someone could take social media posts off your hands? If someone could build your website for you? If someone could run your ads for you? And make sure that you're SEO optimized? Introducing Customers Like Crazy, connecting you and your potential buyers. Our team of digital marketing experts will help you spread the word about your products and services. Just imagine engaging posts that build your brand, generating consistent leads and sales, building an online presence and growing your business, conversion-focused campaigns to boost your sales, and improving your Google search rankings. You'll be able to get quality leads, new customers and clients, and finally focus on growing your business. But don't take my word for it. Just listen to these satisfied business owners. I've been using Facebook ads with their help for over a year now. I consistently get new leads with each offer, and the cost per month is extremely reasonable. Incredible service all around. By the end of the first month, we're dealing with more new leads than we knew what to do with. I can't recommend them enough. We'll start the process as soon as you click the button below. Let's just do the math. You could spend years of your life trying to learn how to do digital marketing yourself, waste money creating ads and content that really don't convert, spend hours every week trying to keep up with the latest trends, waste money on the wrong tools, and work an extra full-time job creating content. You could easily be wasting thousands of dollars every year. You don't want to be stuck anymore, waiting for the phone to ring or for emails to finally come in, constantly missing out on potential customers and clients, staying up all night worrying about how you're going to pay your bills, not making enough income to even survive, and wondering if your business is going to fail. Or for less than the price of your grocery bill this month, you could get started by purchasing customers like crazy. Plus, I'll throw in the studio setup guide, PDF, and mini course. It'll show you the exact pieces of equipment that you need to start creating your own content to use for your digital marketing. Plus some other bonuses like tips and tricks I've learned about online business over the years. And listen, I'll always be real with you, and I hope that you'll be real with us. And if you aren't happy with the results, there are no long-term contracts. You can just stop, and there's no pressure to renew. Now, please keep in mind that digital marketing does take time. Just like when you plant a garden, you're not going to get vegetables tomorrow morning, but SEO is an investment that builds over time. I want to encourage you to check out our online course called the Power Preaching Plan. I'll explain to you how to use the outline for any sermon and any message so that you never get stuck again. Plus, you'll be able to organize all your thoughts in a sermon that's clear and easy to understand. Just go to therealrileys.com. So if you want to start seeing customers like crazy, you want to finally get your website up and running, you're ready to build your online social media presence, and you're ready to invest in yourself and your dream, it's time to start building your business and taking it to the next level so that you can have more clients than you can handle. Whether you're a local service provider like a plumber, landscaper, or hair salon, a small business looking to grow online, an entrepreneur, a church, or even a community group, and you want more visibility, more traffic, and more sales, then you need to get customers like crazy. Just click the link below to get access now. And I want to encourage you to check out one of our online communities where you can be encouraged, ask questions, and your question might even be answered in the next live Q&A. Check out some of our other videos like how to never get stuck writing your sermon, or branch off and check out one of our other channels like how to study the Bible. I hope this video was super helpful for you, but until next time, keep it real.